presenting a pre-owned 2015 Cadillac. This four-door sedan has a four-cylinder, 2.5-liter i4 engine with rear-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Cadillac has less than 126,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 21 miles per gallon in the city and 33 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, wireless data link, spare tire kit, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, power door locks, stability control, and traction control. Call Timbo at 770-554-0300. Thank you for choosing Graham Automotive.